everybody, today I'm going to show you how to use a 2-pin knotting spool using paracord. You can have any type knitting spool. This one has 8 pins. This one here has 6 pins. And these are the cotter pins that I use. You simply put them in the holes like that. And this is a hook from latch hooking. You can use any type of tool to move your paracord on the pins. You can use a paracord lacing needle, or a thread as some call them. You can even use a longer nail or a knitting needle. You don't have to buy a special tool in order to do this. Just anything that is stiff that you have around the house. So let's get started. I have here, it's about 18 feet of the rainbow paracord that I got at Walmart. And you'll also need a ruler. First thing you do is you can have any length that you want as a lead cord to go through your spool. It all depends on what you're going to make with the weave that you're going to make. For purposes here today, we'll use 12 inches. And you put that down the center of the spool. And you leave that cord to the left of either one of the pins. You wrap it around that pin. Then you bring it around the second pin. Turn your spool. Go over top the first string, like this. Come back around to the second one, and then hold it, like you see here. Then you can use any one of your tools. You put the sharp end through and grab the bottom cord, pull it over top of the pin, tug just a little bit on the cord in the center. Then you'll take your lead cord, wrap it around this pin here, stop, and you'll see it here, and then you repeat the process. You use your tool, grab the paracord, flip it over the top, pull slightly, then wrap it around again on this one, stop, grab the bottom cord, pull it over the top, like so, slight tug, wrap it around again, get the bottom cord, pull it over top of the pin, like so, slight tug, and you just keep repeating the process until you get the cord to the length that you would like it to be. After every turn, slightly tug on the bottom cord. I'll do 2 more wraps and then I'll pause and show you the finished product. So take the bottom cord, pull it over top of the cotter pin, slightly pull, wrap around again, always keeping the cord that you're wrapping on top of any other cord. So you grab this one, pull it over the top, and slightly tug. So now I will pause and be back with you shortly when it gets the length that it needs to go. As you can see, I'm done. There's the about 1 foot lead at the end, and then here's the cord. And I want to point out that you don't have to just use paracord in order to do this. The diameter of the cord is going to depend on how thick your knit is. You can use regular paracord, you can use gutted paracord, microcord, nanocord, 325 cord, cotton cord, it doesn't matter. So how you end this is you push the loops off the top of the cotter pins, and then with your running end, you'll take it down this loop, pull it all the way through, turn it, take your lead cord, run down through the other loop, and pull. And that's how you close that. So you want to make the other end that you started with look the same as this one. So what you'll do is you go back and pull this cord through, just like that. And what you'll do is you take that lead cord, you go down through this hole here, and pull it up, just like that. Now they look the same. So as you can see, here is your knit here, and with the 18 feet that we started with, it's actually, there's 12, 8, so there's 20 inches right here of the knit, and you can do many different things with this. We will be doing a series of the different things that you can do with the knitting spools using 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I may even do a 7 and 8 series on the pins to show you the different designs that, depending on the number of pins you use, that your knit is going to be. As you can see, this is a square by using 2 pins. And this is one that I made last week doing the 2 pin, and I made it into a wrist lanyard. So I hope y'all enjoyed it, and please be gentle. This is my very first video that I've done. Look back next week, and hopefully I'll have another series using the 3 pin, and I hope y'all enjoyed. Thank you.